going on, guys? XSR Detroit here. So recently my channel hit 500 subscribers and I wanted to put together a small video to say thank you to everybody that subscribed so far. Thank you to everyone that's been watching the videos. It's been a lot of fun to put together the content. I feel like the channel's come a long way. When I first started out, I didn't really know what I was doing. So I don't think I really know what I'm doing now, but maybe it's better. I don't know. But yeah, I do have some more stuff coming out soon. It's winter in Michigan, so I haven't had a lot to do, but I do have some videos coming out soon, so please stay tuned for those. I've also gone back to my older content and improved it by adding chapters to all of the part install videos, making them a little bit easier to navigate. I used to just put time codes in the comments, which is fine, but I think the chapters look a little bit better. I took down 2 of my older episodes and re-uploaded them. The clip-on mirror episode and the $20 eBay fly screen. The audio was atrocious in the original uploads. I got a lot of comments about that, so I went back. I think one episode I completely took the music out. The other episode I adjusted the volume. Everything's a lot better now, so if you haven't seen those videos, please check them out. You know, I do appreciate the feedback from you guys, and if I can do anything to fix it based on that feedback, I will try to go back and fix stuff. I don't know why I had the audio so jacked on those. I had the music way too loud. You could barely hear what I was saying, but I re-uploaded them. The audio is fixed, much better. But yeah, that's it for this video. Just wanted to say thank you. If you haven't checked out the channel, maybe consider subscribing. You know, I've got a lot of XSR content already. I have lots of stuff planned coming up. Should have a couple new videos out to you guys soon. So, again, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.